Hello and welcome back to our channel Westworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a Cartier watch. Please don't be fooled by the video. We are not reviewing a Cartier watch because it was just a bit pricey. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox and review a great alternative to the classic tank watch, the Bulova 96B107. Bulova was founded in 1875 by Joseph Bulova. The brand has been a pioneer in the watchmaking industry for nearly 150 years. From introducing the first fully electronic watch with Accutron technology to creating the iconic Bulova lunar pilot worn by astronauts on the moon, Bulova's commitment to innovation and precision has solidified its place in horological history. And this model is no exception. First off, we have the packaging. Bulova always delivers a premium unboxing experience. The box feels heavy and carries a weight of wooden box. Let's get inside and let's see what we have in the box. The watch is neatly placed, along with the warranty card and the user manual. As expected, the watch has classic vintage design. Let's remove the plastic from the watch. Now let's check the dimensions really quick. Lug width is 22 mm. Lug to lug is 41 mm. The case is 29 mm. And the thickness is just 6.5 mm. The watch has two-tone stainless steel case. It features a sleek silver tone finish on the body. The bezel is polished and the edges are brushed. The dial color is grayish silver and has a brushed texture on it. 3, 9 and 12 are mentioned in Roman numerals, and 6 o'clock position is reserved for a date window. The indices are applied on the dial. The watch has a mineral glass, which is okay considering the price point. Let's take a closer look to the side of the watch. The sides are polished and the crown has a tuning fork symbol on it. And the same can be found on the buckle and at the back of the watch. The watch uses a quartz movement. Bulova has not made it clear what kind of quartz movement they are using. It would have been better if they have used their high precision quartz movement. I got this watch from Amazon.com for about $175. That includes the custom and shipping. And I believe it is a great deal. The watch usually sells around for $140 to $150. So if you can get the watch for this price, it's a great deal. Now let's try this on and let's see if it is wrist-worthy or not. So this is how the watch looks on my 7-inch wrist. The watch feels very light on the wrist. And I must say, the watch has a vintage aura all around. Now let's compare the watch with some other watches on the wrist. This is how it goes with HMT Inox. And this is how it looks with Casio G-Shock. And this is how it goes with our all-time favorite Timex Expedition North Green. The watch comes with a leather strap. The quality of the leather strap seems a bit flimsy. So here are some alternate straps for the watch. The watch is only a 30-meter water resistant and comes with a 3 years of warranty. So should you buy the Bulova 96B107? The answer is yes. If you are looking for a stylish, reliable and affordable dress watch, this could be a great choice. It offers excellent value for money with its classic design and dependable performance. That's it for today's unboxing and review of the Bulova 96B107. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more watch reviews. Thanks for watching and stay wristworthy.